Zero Juliet Whiskey, I'm going to change it. You're not going to use Alpha, so stay on Sierra, and then you're going to see Bravo. Take a slight left turn for Bravo. You're going to have a heavy jet in front of you, so caution for the jet blast. I am going to maneuver you around them at the end of the runway, so just continue on to Bravo and caution for the jet blast.
Okay, on to Bravo. It's going to be a slight left. We'll be looking for Bravo here.
It's as you get, you're going to pass over Kilo, and then it's just a slight left after that.
Okay, appreciate it. We'll be looking.
Emirates 36 Kilo Heavy, I'd like you to hold short of Alpha Alpha, please. I'm going to put one guy in front of you so he can avoid the wake turbulence.
Hold short Alpha Alpha, Emirates 36 Kilo.
Zero Juliet Whiskey, just right over this taxiway here, it's a slight left. You got it?
We got it right here, 840 Juliet Whiskey.
That's it. There's a couple heavies on Alpha. I just didn't want you to get stuck. So Bravo's going to take you all the way down, and I'm going to have you deviate around the heavy jet. You'll see that at Charlie Charlie.
Okay, is Bravo going to go back to the right here a little bit for 840 Juliet Whiskey?
Yeah, you missed Bravo. That's Juliet. So make a right turn here. It's Romeo briefly, and then it's going to turn back into Bravo.
Okay, right turn right here. And straight right here for 840 Juliet Whiskey?
Yes, you're going to continue straight. It turns into taxiway Bravo here in just a second. You're going to take that southbound all the way down, not making any turns until Charlie Charlie. When you get to Charlie Charlie, there's a big piece of pavement down there. Offset to the right at Charlie Charlie around the heavy jet. They're holding short of Alpha Alpha, which is the approach end to 4 left.
Okay, we only have them at Charlie Charlie 840 Juliet Whiskey. 840 Juliet Whiskey, this is a runway that we're at right here.
Yeah, you're on the high speed. What are you doing, man?
I just asked if you wanted me to go straight right there. That's what you gave me. I'm sorry.
Straight is Bravo, Romeo to Bravo. This is not confusing. I'm being extremely accommodating. You are at an active runway. If you can't listen and follow instructions, I'm not going to be able to taxi you. Cross, you're going to join runway 4 left now, southbound. Make the next immediate left turn on Gulf and stop.
Okay. Well, next immediate left, Gulf, and stop, 840 Juliet Whiskey.
That's correct. You're now going to be number 2 for the runway. I'm not taking any chances. Yeah, Emirates 36 Kilo Heavy, you're going to be number 1 for the runway, sir. Just let me vacate the corporate traffic and you'll be out of here.
That's copied, Emirates 36 Kilo. However, we are still waiting for the captain.
That's fine, sir. You'll still be number 1 down there. Just hold position there and you can let me know when you're ready to go.
Roger that. Holding position, Emirates 36 Kilo.
Zero Juliet Whiskey, make your first right turn. It's the only taxiway I have over there. It's taxiway Papa. Take that southbound all the way to Victor. Hold short Victor. It's going to be about a quarter mile.
Okay, right on top, short of Victor. 840 Juliet Whiskey, sorry for the confusion.
It's not confusing for me. Zero Juliet Whiskey, you're going to continue straight ahead onto Papa, turn right at Alpha Alpha. That's the very end of Papa. Then hold short runway 4 left.
Alright, we'll continue with Papa, we'll turn Alpha Alpha, 4 left, 840 Juliet Whiskey.